10-minute daily routine for clear, glowing skin. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a super simple 10-minute daily routine that will give you clear, glowing skin naturally. No expensive products, no complicated steps, just easy, effective habits for that fresh, dewy glow every day. Step 1. Hydration, 0:30, 1:30. Start from within. First things first, drink a glass of warm lemon water or coconut water to flush out toxins and hydrate your skin from the inside. Step 2. Cleansing, 1:30, 3 o'clock, fresh and clean skin. A gentle face wash is key. Use a mild cleanser or coconut oil to remove dirt and oil without stripping moisture. Step 3. Toning, 3i, 4:30. Refresh and tighten pores. A toner helps balance your skin and shrink pores. I love using rose water or rice water toner for an instant fresh glow. Step 4. Moisturizing, 4:30, 6 o'clock. Lock in hydration. Never skip moisturizer. Even oily skin needs hydration to stay balanced. Use a lightweight gel-based or aloe vera-based moisturizer. Step 5. Sunscreen, 6 or 7:30. The Glow Protector. The #1 secret to youthful glowing skin? Sunscreen. Even if you're indoors, always apply SPF 30+ to prevent dullness, spots, and wrinkles. Step 6. Extra Glow Boosters, 7:30, 9:30. Quick glow-up tips. For an extra glow, try these simple steps. Face massage for blood circulation. Use jade roller or fingertips. DIY glow serum. Aloe vera plus rosehip oil equals magic. Ice cube trick. Rubbing ice tightens pores and adds a natural glow. 9:30, 10 a wrap-up and call to action. And that's it. Just 10 minutes a day for naturally clear, glowing skin. Let me know in the comments, which tip are you excited to try? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beauty tips. See you in the next video, and stay glowing!